Hello everyone, let me show you how to make this basic snare trap. All you need is a rope and a flexible tree. Make sure to cut the branches, that way it will move faster. Now take the rope and tie it on the top of the tree. You can use any knot you know. It doesn't matter. Next, take a small stick and tie it to the rope about 40 centimeters from the top. For this, you can also use any tying system. It's completely irrelevant. This next knot is what matters. It needs to slide on the rope. You can observe how I did it here. There are also other similar knots you can use for this. As you can see, it is tight but still slides up and down. Now you need a stake with a small branch on the side. Hammer it into the ground, but not all the way. The side branch needs to be about 3 centimeters above the ground. Now make another stick about 25 centimeters in length. This will be the main trigger. Pull the rope carefully and wedge the smaller stick onto the side branch. Place the trigger stick on the edge of the branch. This way it will be very sensitive to the touch. Now put the loop over the trigger stick, and this is basically complete. Watch the magic. You can use any type of bait, you just need to put it on the trigger stick.